rape, gang rape, gang rape, kidnap, the business of human body parts. These things can be solved by the girls, and if they want, and otherwise these cannot be solved. But to solve these problems, girls need to do hard exercises to make their muscles strong and to make their bones hard, and they need to learn fighting skills. So in my other videos I have said many things about fighting, because I am a kickboxing trainer. So mainly I train kickboxing and Muay Thai, Muaythai, and Silat, Silat. But I can only teach, but I cannot transfer the strength of my muscles or the hardness of my bones to other people's body. So girls have to do their own effort, and they have to gain the strength and hardness. Then after that they need to learn the techniques, and once they learn the technique they cannot stop. They have to practice also. Just learning or just knowing will not help. You have to learn and you have to practice also. So I have other videos where I said many things. So it is better that you practice those, and then you can protect yourself and other girls also. Maybe somebody is like 5 years old or 10 years old, then they cannot protect themselves. But you young girls, young women, you can protect them, and you can protect old women also. But I have said in my other videos that what kind of exercises you should do to make your punches strong and kicks strong, and how to punch and kick faster, how to fight against a taller person or bigger person, and how to especially how to fight, how to protect yourself when 5-6 people or 3-4 people, like I mean more than one, is going to kidnap you or something. You cannot waste your time on one person, because there are many other people against you. So you have to finish 2-3 people at least, maybe 2 people, very quickly. That means maybe in 2-3 seconds. That others, suppose there is a gang of 5 people, so if you finish or damage very much 2 people, then other 3 will not dare to come. So you have to be very fast, and your punches and kicks should be very hard and very strong and very fast. And you have to understand where to kick, where to punch, all these things. And you have to practice the strength building exercises and all. So that's why you should watch the other videos. I mean, listen, and then you understand, and then you practice. There are most girls are busy about makeup, hairdressing. Those are very good, of course, but not important. I have seen that there are many channels of painting, music. That is okay, but those are entertainment. Those are luxury. Those are not important things. Suppose somebody attacks you, then you are not going to sing a song. You are not going to make a painting. You are not going to play a guitar. You are not going to play piano. You have to first fight for yourself. And for that, you need hard bones and strong muscles.